Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get the Focus on Electric module in the first Descendant. One way to get the Focus on Electric module is by playing coup missions with your friends. You need to select missions that take place in the electric sectors and battle bosses for a chance to get the module as a drop. Try to increase the difficulty of the missions you play to further enhance your chances of getting the module. Another way to acquire the Focus on Electric module is through the Cybercube exchange system. Cybercubes can be earned by completing daily and weekly missions or challenges in the game. Once you have collected enough cybercubes, head over to the in-game shop to exchange them for the Focus on Electric module. The Electronova field boss also has a chance to drop the Focus on Electric module. This boss can be found in the electric sector. If you are more inclined to crafting, you can create the Focus on Electric module. The blueprint for the module can be acquired from the research lab by conducting research using specific materials. Once you have the blueprint, gather the necessary materials from missions or vendors and then craft the module at any craft station. By the way, equipping gear that has electric damage up stats can increase the electric module's effectiveness. Combining the module with other electric-based skills will further amplify its impact. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.